Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, I am giving you quick demonstration how to learn any programming language using w3school platform. You can visit on that particular platform and learn many languages like HTML, JavaScript, Python or rest of programming language. I am putting this link in video description. So let's start as demonstration. Before start the demonstration, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rock. So first of all, visit any kind of browser and just type in this particular browser w3school.com and look at this here. Number of options are available like in tutorial, in HTML and CSS, cascading style sheet, JavaScript and rest of programming language like Python, Java, C++, C#, and learn some machine learning basic concept. As well as server side, you can learn SQL Server, PHP, ASP, Node.js, Raspberry Pi and some website templates also available. On those website templates and programming samples are available, absolutely are free. You can learn or you can run any kind of program on that particular platform only. So suppose for example I am clicking here like learn in Python. So what is exactly Python programming language? Python programming, you can use server to create a web application as well as build some machine learning small programming tools like example printf hello world function. It's very basic program they are providing, like, and you can click on that particular place and run on that program. So like just I'm typing here hello world and output comes here like hello research rocks and then run. So it's very simple, you can run any kind of program directly here, no need for Python 3 or rest of framework installation on your physical operating system. So you can use this features like some Python file handling, Python database handling, Python exercise and rest of informations are available like in Python introduction. You click here in Python introduction, like what is a Python can do, why Python, some so rest of some informations available on that particular place in simple only Python program. Suppose now I introduce only Python programming language because of nowadays I am using Python programming, but here number one options are available like in HTML, second options are available CSS, cascading style sheet, JavaScript, SQL, PHP, bootstrap and rest of informations are available here like in a server side. So this platform is very amazing to learn basic programming language of any kind of small to small and small to bigger, and visit on that particular platform and learn many things for programming point of view. Have you any suggestion? So please write comment section. It's very simple. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks and press the bell icon. You don't miss upcoming videos. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.